Hello everyone, welcome to my demonstration of the fidget spinner and the fidget cube. So, here is the fidget cube. It's got this little swirly thingy. This side, you can rub your finger in that. This little button. And these little knobs here, and more buttons on the side. Over here, this one right here is one of my favorites. Here's a little switch right here, and now for the exciting part of this video, the fidget spinner. Okay, so you can spin it like using this hand to spin it, or you can use this hand to spin it, and you can also hold it on each one of the outside rings and spin it like that. And now I'm going to show you a trick that I learned off YouTube for this trick. Hey cat. So you take off each of these plastic parts on both sides, then you take a pen or a small thin marker and push it through the hole that it fits through. Then when it's just like this, it falls over. But if you spin it, then put it down, it stays up. You can, well, normally, if it was spinning fast enough, you put it like this, then you can tap it and don't fall over. Now that's the trick. Now, I'll show you something I made up called the hat trick. So what you gotta do is put both sides back on your fidget spinner. Then have it to where you can see my hat. Put the fidget spinner on the hat, then spin it. Now you have it spinning on the hat. I'm not sure if you can see it from there, but the fidget spinner is spinning on my hat and fell off. And another one is you gotta hold it on the outside ring, then you throw it at like the table, like gently, not really hard, but gently. You flip it a little bit, and it spins on the table. And that's it for this video. Sorry, it was not a lot of tips and tricks, but that's it. Please subscribe, and goodbye.